first graders. So last time we talked about time to the hour. Today we're going to talk about time to the half hour. What's a half hour? Well, let's take a look. 12, 12:05, 12:10, 12:15, 12:20, 12:25, 12:30. 30 is half of 60. There are 60 minutes in an hour, so there are 30 minutes in a half hour. The time is read as 12:30 or 12:30. Now you will notice that the hour hand is exactly in between the 12 and the 1. How do you figure out what the hour is? Well, you think if a clock always moves clockwise, this way, down to the right, up to the left, down to the right, up to the left, then the hour would start here, and then it would move to the 1. Watch as I move to 1 o'clock. Do you see how the hour hand moved? Now watch as the hour hand moves to 1:30. Do you see how the hour hand is in between the 1 and the 2? It's past the 1, but it's not on the 2 yet. Here we go. There's 2 o'clock, 2:30, 3 o'clock or 3 p.m., 3:30, 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30. This one's confusing because you can see that the hour hand is getting very close to the 6. 6 o'clock, 6:30. Now this is where the hour hand starts to move up instead of down. It's past the 6, but it's not on the 7 yet. 6:30. 7 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock. Now this one's strange. 11:30. So do you see how the hour hand, it's past the 11, but it's not on the 12 yet. It's about to get to the 12. It's 11:30 p.m. Now it's 12 a.m. or midnight. Let's see if you can guess these times. What time is it? 3:30. 3:30. Oops, I showed you. Let's try that again. What time is it? 6:30. You're right. 6:30. Try this one. What time is it? 8:30. See how the hour hand is past the 8, but it's not on the 9 yet. What time is it now? 10:30. Last one. 12:30. 12:30. Because it's past the 12, but it's not on the 1 yet. Great job, everybody. See you next time.